from Life Science Centre here. This bottle has a water balloon inside it, but how did it get there? So, do you have any ideas about how this works? Well, let's go over it just in case, but if you did figure it out by yourself first, let us know in the comments.
An empty plastic bottle isn't actually empty. It's full of air, which we can't see. We can't inflate a balloon inside a bottle that's already full of air because we can't blow hard enough to squash the air and make room for the balloon. But if we poke a hole in the bottle, the air inside can be pushed out of that hole when it's put under pressure by air being blown into the balloon. No squashing needed. Covering the hole once the balloon is inflated means air can't pass through in either direction to move in or out of the bottle. The air pressure inside and outside the balloon within the bottle is now in balance. This keeps the balloon in its inflated state so it can be filled with water. But if I stop covering the hole in the bottle, air from the other side of it, outside the bottle, can now get in to push on the balloon. The pressure outside the balloon is now greater than the pressure inside it, so the water gets pushed out into my face. Why not try this at home? Make sure you're careful using something sharp to poke a hole in a plastic bottle, and do be prepared to get splashed with water like I did. Show us your pictures and videos on social media with #LifeGoesOnline. Good luck!